Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage read receipts and notification settings on your Chromecast device, follow this simple guide to control your privacy and viewing activity indicators. Step 1. Ensure your Chromecast is powered on and connected to your TV and home Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. This is the primary way to manage Chromecast settings. Step 3. Tap on your Chromecast device from the list of available devices in the Google Home app. Step 4. Tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner to access device settings. Step 5. Scroll through the settings to find notifications or privacy options related to your Chromecast. Step 6. Look for options related to activity tracking, usage data, or read receipt-like features that indicate when content has been viewed. Step 7. Toggle off any settings that share your viewing activity or send read confirmation to other users or connected services. Step 8. For apps cast to your Chromecast, manage read receipts within each individual app's settings on your phone before casting. Step 9. Review Google account settings by going to myaccount.google.com and checking data and privacy to manage activity tracking across all Google services. Step 10. Save all changes and restart your Chromecast by unplugging it for 10 seconds and plugging it back in to ensure settings take effect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.